spend the day with me. A slow morning, a busy work day, and a quiet evening to wrap it all up. Let's get into it. The train ride was actually pretty nice today. Quiet, calm, just watching everything go by and slowly waking up. It's kind of the only time in the day where you don't have to do anything and you can just exist for a bit. I didn't film too much at work because you know how it is, but I was there, work got done, and the day went by pretty fast. After work, we went out for a company dinner. Nothing too formal, just good food and good conversations with colleagues. It was actually really nice to step away from work mode and just hang out for a bit. By the time I almost got home, I was tired, but in a good way. First thing I did was grab a juice. Honestly, that first sip after a long day just hits different. Took a moment to relax and reset. Later in the evening, I decided to try baking a blueberry cheesecake. No big expectations, just want to bake something. And mind you, this is my first time trying to bake, so I was really kind of nervous, but I was hoping I could make something yummy. It wasn't perfect, but it turned out pretty good, I can say, and I was honestly very happy about it. And that's basically how my day went. Nothing dramatic, just a simple full day from morning to night. If you enjoyed spending the day with me, don't forget to like, subscribe, or just stick around for more little moments like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.